So yesterday I saw that Politico ran a story that business leaders are displeased with the Obama administration, and basically saying that the Obama administration has been hostile to the business community, and this has pretty much been parroted by CNN, Fox, even liberal MSNBC. But I really had to do a double take when I read this story because it's such bullshit. The White House included 11 tax cuts that were targeted to businesses in the stimulus package. Later, they bailed out the big three automakers, and in November, GM had its biggest opening day ever. It was also Obama that oversaw the second disbursement of the TARP program, which was started under George Bush. That basically saved the entire investment banking industry. And Obama's economic team crafted a small business lending fund in the jobs bill, and I believe it was spring of 2010. In the bill, there was $100 billion in small business tax credits, and in October, Obama called to make the research and development tax cut permanent. That's a small business tax cut. Not even a small business, just a business tax cut. In November, he went on a trip overseas throughout all of Asia, trying to get an economic agreement from South Korea. And also in November, it was reported that the stock market had, not the stock market, corporate profits. Corporate profits were the highest in American history. Yes, American history. All 200-something years of it. Even the Chamber of Commerce, according to another Politico story, is reluctant to support a Republican challenger, and they're a pretty fucking conservative organization. But, above all, there's healthcare reform. That little legislative item, healthcare reform. Basically, what healthcare does for small businesses is it essentially gives them a huge chunk of money to help pay for healthcare costs, where small businesses now basically are getting fucked over by health insurers because they have to cover the cost. So it's really a big help to small businesses. So, you combine all these things, you could make a good argument that Barack Obama is doing more for the business community than any Republican president ever has, than any Democratic president ever has in the last 20 or so years. So, this story is just completely fucking ridiculous. If anything, Obama's been the bitch of the business community for the last 2 years. And that's about it.